In this video, we're going to talk about and train you on how to add the WootText USA shortcode service 69696 shortcode to your Wrecking Ball system or WootText system to send SMS via shortcode. Send and receive SMS via shortcode. So here's your WootText account. You should have access. You're going to see you have a Woot key and a Woot token. What you want to do is come into your system, go to Settings, go to Shortcode Info, choose on USA, click on Turn On Now, and now we want to enter our SID and token. So we choose our key, then we choose our token, we plug that in, click on Save, and it automatically activates the shortcode service to this install. Now you might have multiple installs, and you are allowed to have unlimited installs and use that same Woot key token on all your installs. Now you might already have a keyword inside of your system. So let's say I have the keyword, let me find one here. Let's say my keyword is boomer, and I want to add it into this system. So I'm going to come over here, click on Add Keyword, go to Boomer, check availability. Obviously it's going to say I already own it, and it says it's not attached to this install. Now it might tell you if it's attached to another install of yours. This gives you an urgent warning that if it's already attached to someone else's account, you don't want to move it to your account because you can totally disable their system. So it's already owned by me. If it's not owned by me and it's owned by somebody else, it'll let me know. So I can do that by if I just click on, let me do pizza, check availability, and it says it's not available, it's already taken. So I'm going to go back, put in boomer, check availability. Now importing an existing keyword that I already own at Woot. Keep in mind, you don't have to use that Woot system here at the .NET to acquire keywords. You can acquire the keywords from within the system itself. So I'm going to add the keyword. It says it's added successfully, and we see it's been added here. Now automatically this is added to the admin account. If we want to transfer this to a client to use, we can come in here and assign it to, like, say, Joe Smith. Click on Transfer Keyword, and that'll refresh and place it into his account to use. He would then go into his system here, and under his keyword campaign, and there's further training on the cloud to use the client system. I'm just going to show you a brief example here. To assign the keyword, all he needs to do is come in here and go to shortcode keyword, and then it'll be in the selection list if it was assigned to him. I'm in the admin account, and I just transferred it out of the admin account to Joe's account, but you can get the point here. This is how you assign a shortcode keyword. Now, each campaign, if a customer is using long codes and short codes, needs to have a keyword for the short code and the long code. So this is the short code and this is the long code. They can be the same because the system knows how to segregate between the two. So always keep that in mind. When creating a campaign, you need to have a keyword for the long code and a keyword for the short code. Jumping back, if I ever want to remove this keyword from this install, I just click on this button here, and it'll take that keyword and place no ownership under it for any system, but you will still own it. If you want to release the ownership of the keyword to free up your keyword credits, just click on this and it'll automatically remove it and release it from the shortcode system so other people can pick it up. Now I'm going to transfer this back to the admin here. Click on Transfer Keyword. I just want to make sure that you see that it is assigned to my admins, so when I create a campaign, you'll see how it'll appear in the selection box. So I come down here, click on Messages. Now you see the keyword boomer. Click on Save, and now it's automatically added to this account. Now you must, on every account, or every keyword campaign or any campaign in here, you have to have a number assigned as well. So always make sure you assign the default number if there's only one number in the account, or if it's a custom user with a custom phone, you can assign a custom phone number. Otherwise, they all can share amongst all campaigns the same phone number. If you ever want to emulate a campaign, just come in here, click on Emulate Campaign. And this is you pretending that you're a user. Click on Send. And this is the message that comes. Hello, text yes to join test campaign. This is the name of the campaign right here. Message and data rates may apply. This is a canned response from our system. The messages per month, we'll get into that when we get into actual client training, but you'll see how the importance of all this information is for the shortcode and compliance. So I'm going to continue on as a client, reply yes, click on send, and then I get my campaign response here. Now, if you're a customer and you've been assigned a keyword, let me unassign this, click on save. A customer would come in and go to add credits, and here you can see it's already automatically been assigned to him. All he has to do is just go into the campaign itself and put in the keyword. But let's say he wants to have additional keywords on his account. You've already assigned him the credits. He wants to make up his own keywords. All he needs to do is click on, let me log in as him so you guys can actually see. So I'm going to log in as Joe's Tavern. And I'm going to go to add credits. And I want to add a keyword. Now, since I already have 20 credits and I haven't used any in this particular account, this is how many I was assigned to by the admin or the package, and I haven't used any yet. If I want to add a new keyword, just come in here and put in my keyword. Check availability. Click on add. And now that customer can use that keyword in any of his accounts. This applies for the admin too. You don't have to acquire your keywords inside of the settings shortcode info. You can do that from the client side pane that is assigned to the admin off the admin pane, which is this account here. This concludes the training for integrating WootText into the WootText SMS gateway system.